Filming, right? This is the bonnet for this little catch, and it fires up out the way, and if you shine your camera up there, you can see all the 5 red air horns with the compressor sat on the top. Quite loud, very good, very difficult to install. It costs £40. Slam the bonnet. Oh shit, not slammed properly. Oh, and we slam the bonnet. It's good to go. And mosey on over to the cab. Cameraman follows me. And we can see the glorious horn button up there. Horn button, very nice. Nice piece of plastic. Yeah, very nice. I like rubbing it, I like stroking it. Also an indicator. Slide it forwards, indicates right. Push it forwards, and it indicates left. Oh, sorry, that's back. Yeah, never mind. And that's the forwards and backwards, backwards. But most importantly, the button which holds the highest importance in my tractor, and that is the horn button.